Alright, so, in the last video I told you about 8 boring habits that'll change your life. But now we need to talk about the habit that's undoing all your progress. And before you ask, is it my phone? No, it's not your phone. It's worse, way worse. Because your phone isn't physically destroying your spine, crushing your organs, and cutting years off your life. But this habit, this one is. I'm Z, and welcome back to Stickman Health Universe, where we make health simple, science-backed, and actually useful. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button because we're about to get into something that'll make you immediately look at how you're sitting right now. And yeah, you just adjusted your posture, didn't you? Let's talk about it. The habit that's destroying your body? Sitting. But not just sitting. Sitting the way most of us actually sit. Head forward like a turtle trying to see the screen. Shoulders rounded like you're protecting yourself from life. Lower back curved like a question mark. And here's the thing. You probably don't even notice you're doing it until your neck hurts, or your back aches, or you get that weird headache that won't go away. Sound familiar? Yeah, that's what I thought. The problem? Forward head posture. Let's start with your head. Your head weighs about 10 to 12 pounds. That's like a bowling ball just sitting on top of your spine. When your head is properly aligned right over your shoulders, your spine handles that weight perfectly. No problem. But for every inch your head moves forward, you add 10 pounds of pressure to your neck and spine. So if your head is 3 inches forward, which is pretty common when you're looking at your phone or computer, your neck is now holding 40 pounds. 40 pounds. That's like carrying a 6-year-old on your neck. All day, every day, and then wondering why your neck hurts. This is called tech neck or forward head posture. And it's not just uncomfortable. It's causing actual structural damage, chronic headaches, jaw pain, shoulder tension, even breathing problems, because your airways get compressed when your head is forward. Yeah, your posture is literally making it harder to breathe. The problem? Rounded shoulders. Now let's talk about your shoulders. When you sit hunched over, typing, scrolling, whatever, your shoulders roll forward and your chest muscles get tight. Meanwhile, the muscles in your upper back, they're stretching and weakening because they're constantly trying to pull you back to normal. So now you've got tight chest, weak back, and shoulders that are basically stuck in the sad person position. And here's the worst part. This doesn't just affect how you look, it affects your mood. Studies show that slouched posture is directly linked to depression and anxiety. Your body language literally tells your brain we're sad and defeated. So yeah, bad posture isn't just hurting your back, it's hurting your mental health too. Fun, right? The problem? Lower back disaster. Okay, last one. Your lower back. When you slouch, your pelvis tilts backward, which flattens the natural curve in your lower spine. Your spine is supposed to have curves. That's how it absorbs shock and distributes weight. But when you sit like this for hours every day, you're compressing your spinal discs, which are basically little cushions between your vertebrae. Over time, those discs wear down, they bulge, they herniate, and that's when you get chronic back pain that doesn't go away. And before you say I'm young, this won't happen to me. Doctors are seeing disc problems in people in their 20s now. 20s. Because we've been sitting like this since we were kids. The solution? Alright, enough doom and gloom. Let's fix this. And no, I'm not going to tell you to just sit up straight, because that advice is useless. You'll remember for 5 minutes, then forget. We need actual strategies that work. Fix number 1. When you sit, feet flat on the floor, knees at 90 degrees, hips at 90 degrees, elbows at 90 degrees. This keeps your spine in its natural position and distributes your weight evenly. Your screen should be at eye level, not below it, forcing you to look down. Stack some books under your laptop. Get a monitor stand, do whatever you need to do. Just stop looking down for 8 hours a day. Fix number 2. The wall angel exercise. Every day. Seriously, every single day. Do wall angels for 2 minutes. Stand with your back against a wall, head, shoulders, and butt touching the wall. Raise your arms like you're making a snow angel. Keep your elbows and wrist against the wall as you move them up and down. It's harder than it looks. And if it feels impossible, that's how tight your chest and shoulders are. Do this every day. 2 minutes. That's it. Your posture will improve. Your shoulder pain will decrease. And you'll actually be able to stand up straight without thinking about it. Fix number 3. The chin tuck. For your forward head posture, do chin tucks. Pull your chin straight back, like you're making a double chin, while keeping your head level. Don't look down. Hold for 5 seconds. Release. Repeat 10 times. Yes, you'll look ridiculous, do it anyway. This strengthens the muscles that hold your head in the right position. Do it 3 times a day. Morning, lunch, before bed. Takes 30 seconds. Fixes years of damage. Fix number 3. Movement breaks. Remember that 2-minute movement rule from the last video? Yeah, it applies here too. Every hour, stand up and move. Not just for your metabolism, for your spine. Sitting isn't the problem. Sitting for 6 hours straight is the problem. Your body needs movement to stay healthy. So set a timer. Stand up, stretch, walk around. Your back will thank you. Fix number 5. Strengthen your core. Last one, your core. And no, I don't mean ABS. I mean your entire core. Front, back, and sides. A strong core supports your spine. It keeps you upright without you having to think about it. You don't need a gym. You don't need equipment. Planks, bird dogs, dead bugs. Google them, do them 3 times a week. 5 minutes. That's all it takes. The reality check. Here's the truth. You're not going to fix years of bad posture overnight. This isn't a quick fix. It's not a hack. It's going to take weeks, maybe months of consistent effort. But here's what I can promise you. If you actually do these things, the 90-90-90 rule, the wall angels, the chin tucks, the movement breaks, the core work, your pain will decrease. Your energy will increase. You'll breathe better, sleep better, feel better. And in 6 months, you won't believe you used to live with that constant neck and back pain, because you won't have it anymore. So that's it. The daily habit that's destroying your body. Not your phone, not your diet, your posture. And the good news, you can fix it starting right now. Adjust how you're sitting. Do a chin tuck. Stand up and move. It's not complicated. It's just consistent. And that's what this channel is all about. Simple, science-backed habits that actually work. If you want more content like this, hit that subscribe button. We're posting new videos every week. Drop a comment and tell me, how's your posture right now? Be honest. And let me know what health topic you want me to cover next. I'm Z. Stay healthy, stay curious. And for the love of your spine, sit up straight. See you in the next one.